Hey guys, welcome back to Professional Weekend's YouTube channel. Today we're here at Epcot and Walt Disney World in Orlando, Florida, specifically at the German Pavilion. So today we're going to go around and check out all that Germany has to offer in an effort to find out if the German Pavilion meets expectations, exceeds expectations, or if it's in need of a performance improvement plan. So stick around because today, Germany, you're getting a performance review. Let's go.
Let's go. All right, Alex, we're here in the Germany Pavilion today, not the German Pavilion, but the Germany Pavilion, and we're gonna hang out and see what we can see here at this pavilion. So with that, I've been in HR for a very long time. Louis is people, and he is in IT, and we are very qualified to determine if things are working or not.
Yeah, and I just realized that I'm wearing the wrong shirt to review the German Pavilion. We're in a completely different country.
Lame. So that means we're gonna walk around and see what we can see.
Yep. Right. So it is about lunchtime. We just got here, and of course we haven't eaten yet. So first things first, we're gonna stop and get a snack.
Let's go.
All right, and while we're waiting for Christine to get her pretzel, the German band popped up. So apparently this is what they do in Germany. They play on household items. I don't think that's correct, but it is pretty fun. All right, so now Christine's got her pretzel. As big as your face, bigger than your face. Pretzel face.
You wanna know how much this was?
$13.
$12.75.
No, almost.
Yeah.
That was a pretty good guesser.
You're a good guesser.
What just happened?
I pooped on.
So I didn't have the camera running because we were like kind of in between scenes, and we were just putting our mustard on the pretzel. We haven't even gotten a chance to eat it yet, and a condor flew over, and that's just one spot. It ended up like on both of us, our hands, all over the place. It was a lot. I'm surprised that much came out of one bird. So we're gonna pass on the pretzel. I don't see any on the pretzel, but
Let me wash my hands.
Christine has made an executive decision. We're not eating the pretzel. All right, so Germany does have bathrooms. That's a big plus. You can go in there and get all cleaned up after a bird poops on you.
Very excited about my pretzel.
So first things first, we're actually gonna go inside here, the caramel coochie, and get some caramel treats. If that's not how you say it, I don't know. Let me know in the comments below. But while you're down there, let me know, do you guys pronounce it caramel or caramel? I'd love to hear what your thoughts are. So let me know in the comments below. What's the right way?
How do you say kitchen in German? Let's break it down. The pronunciation, German pronunciation, Küche, Küche, Küche.
Fortunately, guys, the mic's cut out at this point. We missed out on some of what we were talking about. However, we did end up getting a chocolate cookie with buttercream and caramel, and it was absolutely delicious. Super sweet, though, and way more than even the two of us together could finish. So definitely something you want to split with at least 3 or 4 people. All right, so next up, we're gonna head to the back of the pavilion here and do a little bit of shopping. So let's see what they got for sale in Germany. So first up here is the Steinhaus, followed by the Wien Killer. Why does everything in Germany sound so, like, not PC? But here we are. We have found the Steins. I do like the shirts though. I don't give a schnitzel, me either. And you could even get some like bar mats and such. Very nice.
So if you're here for your Disney merch, we have a pretzel bag. That's kind of cool. Then your ears, the pretzels. Go figure. Here's the wine color. That's where they have the wine.
Oh, is that what I call it? The Wien Killer.
No, you're wrong.
Okay.
I like this one for 80 grand.
$80,000.
$80,000 for that.
That's pretty though. I don't know. Like I got the sudden urge to like pick it up and break it.
Yeah, that's called the intrusive thoughts. You don't let those on the outside.
Okay.
All your Christmas ornaments. That's lovely. That's Thumper. Bambi. Wizard Mickey. And that's a Tinkerbell butt.
I don't know if this is like a German thing to have all these like fancy types of stuff, or is that just like Disney just trying to sell fancy stuff?
Yes.
But they do have a beautiful chandelier to go with all the other fancy pants stuff in the store.
I want one of those, please.
All right, so next up we're gonna go over to the Beer Garden restaurant. And it's about to get really packed inside all these stores because it is starting to rain. All right, so make sure you guys check out our next vlog where we're actually gonna eat in here too. We'll give a full professional opinion of everything that they have on offer here in the beer garden. I tell you, it smells delicious. I love sauerkraut. Sauerkraut and bratwurst, very good. But they do have a little like quick service area here too, where you can do some mobile pickup and ladies stand in front of it. But I think that sign says pretzels.
Yeah.
Are they selling pretzels here too?
Pretzels, brats, and bread pudding.
Oh, see, so you can get your jumbo pretzel in here as well.
And I'm gonna put it on.
All right, so we are moving pretty quickly through the German Pavilion because there's not really a ton here. We've got a couple shops, got some quick service carts, and one sit-down restaurant. But I am excited to try that restaurant later for dinner. The next shop on our list here is the Volkskrust. Volkskrust. Kunst. Yeah, I like everything. I don't know. How do you say that? Tell me how you would say that. K-U-N-T-S.
Kunst.
Okay. I said
What?
K-U-N-T-S.
Kunst.
Kunst.
Kunst. Who along you? Kunst. On Kunst. Rough.
All right, so here they have some gummy candies, which apparently are German, and we got some German snacks. Toblerone, I didn't know that was German. Little toffee candies.
Those are Swiss.
Yeah, that would make sense.
The Swiss is by Germany.
Yeah. And as well as some, you got, of course, like stuffed animals and such like that. All right, and they have some cuckoo clocks. Very German. Actually pretty neat, though, all very intricately carved. Those clocks remind me of you, because you're cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. And I guess we get a little bit of German history here with some beer steins. And of course, more Christmas ornaments.
That's a big old shot glass for Minnie.
Well, is it Minnie shot glass or is it Mickey shot glass? Because he likes to look at Minnie.
Maybe. Do that.
All right, aside from the bathrooms, the only last stop here in Germany is the Glaskunst. Here we have some glass-made stuff. I don't know, they got coasters or these ornaments.
Mm-hmm.
Why are they so obsessed with like Christmas?
All of the Christmas markets in Germany.
Oh, is that why? So it's Christmas market all the time here in the Germany
They have
Pavilion.
a whole Christmas market here. You walk right through it.
I know, and we went to another store that had Christmas stuff too.
Yeah.
Well, but it does look like you can hand make your own glass stuff though. That's kind of neat. So if you want to make your own coasters, or if you want to make maybe like a picture frame, they have all that here. And last but not least, they also have the friendship boat landing. So that is one nice thing about Germany. At least it would be fairly easy to get over here because you can take the boat over. All right, guys, so things got a little bit crazy at the end of that video with it starting raining, people packing into the shops. Obviously, it was really loud. So we decided to skip ahead to our next video, which we are currently in the middle of filming. You can see behind me is the beer garden. But coming back to where we were, we wanted to wrap up the performance review of Germany. Let's talk about what Germany does well. So they have this restaurant. This is a nice restaurant, and we'll do a full review on that in the next video. They do have a couple quick services. Obviously, for people that are drinking around the world, there's tons to do here with drinking. Right? There's lots of beer. Germany is famous for beer, so can't pass that up on your stop around the world. They have bathrooms. They have a friendship boat. And we ran out of time. And let's talk about what they can improve. With Germany, there are no rides. There's not really an attraction here at all.
Snow White, the princess.
Yeah, that's not a ride. You gonna let me ride Snow White? They do have some shopping, but unfortunately, there's not really a big draw to bring you to Germany other than maybe this restaurant or your quest to drink around the world. So because of all of that, unfortunately, Germany, I think I'm gonna have to put you on a performance improvement plan. I would like to see some more attractions here, expand it, open up some sort of ride, whether that's Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. You gotta do something. There's really no reason for people to come over here other than drinking or having dinner.
Or a pretzel, or the caramel coochie, or Snow White, or a pretzel hat, or a shop.
Still waiting to hear a reason. That's gonna do it for us today, guys. Remember, hit the subscribe button. Really appreciate it. It really helps out. Let us know in the comments below. Do you agree? Do you disagree? Am I completely crazy? Am I off a rocker? Is Germany the best pavilion? Let me know in the comments below. With that being said, we're out of here. We'll see you next weekend.
Germany, Asia doesn't agree. We love you. You definitely meet expectations. And I'm sorry, your manager cannot seem to get it together for you on that. That being said, we love you guys, and we'll see you next time. Bye. Rude. 100% rude.
Okay, so anyways,
Germany. Rude pants.
I just calls them like I sees them.
But you have that. You have that though.
Yeah, this is different. This is separate. I do like this restaurant.
It's in the pavilion though, bro.
All that Germany has to offer. We're gonna ride every ride. Well, there's no rides. But there's no rides. There's not even a circle vision.
All right, you're not wrong.
Some Harborough. I can't say it. I can't pronounce anything. I don't know how to say any of this stuff. It's all German. We wanted to wrap up the performance.
Performance review.
Yeah. Hey, where are you going?
This way.
I smell that sauerkraut though. That is good. Is this where we're eating dinner tonight?